Hey, how you doing, guys? I hope you're all doing great, and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I'll be doing is explaining to you guys how you can earn XP in EAFC Mobile 24. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am on the title screen right now. I have made myself a guest account, and as you can see, I named my team the tutorial team. So without further ado, let's get into the topic at hand. So the way that you actually earn XP, you have a couple of ways. First of all, if you see the biggest icon on the screen, it's the kickoff tab, which is the kickoff campaign sort of thing. And you have both expert and intermediate levels. And in the intermediate level, what you can do to actually earn XP is complete these challenges here. And as you can see, each objective that you complete will give you a certain amount of XP. This one gives 100, and this should give 100 as well. This is the reward. Through rewards, I don't think you get any XP. However, you might. Didn't complete it fully, so I don't know. And another thing that you can actually do to earn XP is go into your quests tab, which is at the bottom left. And as you can see here, this checkmark tab, which should open up automatically whenever you click on quests. Here you can see your daily quests as well as weekly quests. And weekly quests don't give you XP as far as I'm aware. Yep. However, if you complete daily quests, you get these daily points, which you then use to complete the progress bar to the right for your daily rewards. And as you can see, each pack that you get or each milestone that you complete will give you a certain amount of XP. The lowest being 100 and the highest being 450. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.